Hello! In this tutorial, you will learn how to upload files and share them with your partner on the video conferencing screen. These files can include digital photos, images, text files, PowerPoints, even videos. First, when you join the video conferencing room, remember to record. As you can see, the red button and timer shows that it's recording. Then, turn on your webcam. Don't forget to select low quality. On the screen, you see the big blue button welcome message. To get rid of this message, you can click here, and to bring it back, click here. It should be noted that opening or closing the presentation does not affect what your partner sees. Each participant is individually in charge of this. The welcome message is shown on what is really a whiteboard. The big blue button welcome message is the default presentation. To change to a new slide, click here. Also, when you upload other files, they will show up in this whiteboard space. Before going further, note that you can make the whiteboard bigger or smaller with respect to your webcam image. To do so, move the cursor to the edge of your webcam image. Note the arrows pointing up and down. Now you can move your cursor to change the size of the webcam and the whiteboard by clicking and holding down. Another thing you can do is change the position of your webcam. To do so, place the cursor on the webcam image and use the hand by holding down and clicking to move the webcam like this. Moving the webcam and changing the size must be done individually by each participant. Now, let's upload a file. First, go to the icon near the bottom of the screen to the left here and click on it. Click on Upload a Presentation. On the screen, you see Current Default. This is the big blue button welcome page. To upload a file, you can drag it into the space or browse to find it in your computer files. To do so, click on Browse. Find the file you want and click on it. Next, at the top of the screen, click on Upload. When you see the time, the file is being uploaded. When uploaded, you will automatically switch back to the video conferencing room. You may need to wait a few seconds for it to finish downloading. If you click here, the file will disappear. If you want to bring it back, click on this icon. If you click on the 4 arrows at the bottom here, you will see it on the whole screen. However, this is not ideal for language learning as you will not have ready access to the chat box. Remember, the chat box is useful for writing out words and expressions if you are having problems understanding. If you want to exit the full view, click on the arrows or on Escape. Let's check out the toolbar below the file. Right now, it is difficult to see the picture. To make the picture bigger, click here on the double arrow. You can also use these buttons to zoom in and zoom out. If your file has more than one page, click here to change the pages. On the right hand side is a toolbar. Click on this icon to see the choices. To type text, click on the T and open a text box on the picture. Then you can type, for example, hello. If you want to change the size of the font, click here. You can also change the colors here. If you want to draw a line, click here. You can also adjust the thickness and the color. You can also draw different shapes, for example, a circle, a triangle, or a square. You can also change the thickness of the line and the colors. If your partner doesn't understand something shown in the picture, you can draw an arrow to it, like this. And then you can type the word. If we go back to the text icon, there are other choices. For example, the pen can be used to draw. For example, an arrow. To erase, click here, and this will erase items in reverse order. To get rid of all the markings in the one fell swoop, click on the garbage can. It's important to remember that you can only get rid of your own markings and not your partner's. Finally, you can use the pen hand by clicking and holding down to move the document up and down on the screen. At the bottom of the toolbar is a box with a squiggly line in it. To share the toolbar with your partner, you must click on it, like this. Only the first person into the video room automatically has access to the toolbar, so you need to remember to share. If you do not have access, you must ask your partner to share. If you want to change the presentation, click on the plus icon in the lower left hand corner and then on Upload a Presentation. For example, let's go back to the default big blue button page. Check the box and then confirm. Remember, you can upload different types of files: pictures, digital photos, text files, even PowerPoints. You can also upload files with several pages, and you can move them by clicking on the arrows. For example, this. To upload a video to share with your partner, click on the plus icon and select Share an External Video and paste in the link. Click on Share a New Video. This will show the video both to you and your partner. With this software, you can also share your computer screen. To do so, click here. We will deal with this in another tutorial. It's important to know that if you are the first person to join the room, you automatically have presenter privileges. For example, you can upload files and share the toolbar. If you are not the first person, then you must click here if you wish to take the presenter role. In this tutorial, part 2, you have learned how to share files including videos. Don't forget, part 1 deals with the video conferencing basics. Bye for now and happy tandeming.